So guys, punta kami sa Banff Upper Hot Spring. So yun yung parking lot kung saan ka magpa-park. And then yeah. So happy anniversary,
Happy anniversary.
Ayan.
I love you.
Love you. Anniversary kasi namin guys. So as a treat. As a treat. Yeah. Kahit tugnaw.
Bisag tugnaw.
Ay mag-swimming ta.
Date.
So yeah. Actually $17 yung ano nila, hot spring. Which is okay na rin dahil syempre kikitain ko pa na may pera. Pero yung moment,
Memories.
memories,
Yeah.
hindi mo nakikitain
Yan
yan.
ang yung ano magyan mo. View.
So ito yung view sa hot spring. Yan. Ito yung makikita mo. Yan.
So yun yung lower.
Overlooking siya. Which is maamoy na siya guys.
Naamoy mo na? Hindi ko pa naamoy. Parang ang lilip siya naman dito.
Ang kanyang
Ang lamig.
smoke free facility. So ito na siya guys.
Uy, mag-ano pa tayo na ano?
Oo nga. So yeah. So ito siya guys. Hot spring. So open na siya for 10 AM. So I guess pwede na tayong pumasok. So dito raw ang pasukan. Entrance. Hindi, ay close na. Tapos ah. Dito na sa baba. Napanood ko kasi yung vlog. Huwag tayo nagpunta rin. Ayan. Shoes, carry your shoes. Good morning po. For two? Meron na po. Oh.
Take a shower before you go in. Okay pa.
Ito po yung sa
Okay pa.
locker.
Yung sapatos mo?
It's one time using. Would you like a receipt?
Hindi na po. Hindi na. Thank you.
Thank you po.
So ayan guys, tapos na tayo mag-shower. So pupunta na tayo sa hot spring. So ayan, dito na tayo sa hot spring.
How was it?
This is it.
Yeah.
Flew from Toronto. I'm from Ontario. Flew from Toronto to Vancouver and then flew from there last night. I always recommend
Vancouver to here?
Yeah.
Just one way.
So, dito na tayo. Guys.
I didn't think it was, but I grew up here and every time I was in my car.
So, grabe, ang init. Ang init, guys. So, very relaxing. So, mapapansin nyo, walang ganong tao. So, itong maganda kapag ano ka nagpunta. So that's it. Ang tagal ni Jeddah. See?
So it's probably busier here in the winter than the summer, right?
Honestly, this place is always busy, but it's only busy when the school children are off school. This place follows the kids. Weekends crazy, weekdays not so much.
Oh.
Summer, absolutely nuts.
Oh yeah.
Winter holidays, absolutely nuts. Winter, I would say, is a little slower just because the summer, those 2 months,
Right.
it's shoulder to shoulder.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. It's, I don't want to work here.
So, yeah. Hi guys. So,
Ito na yung ginawa sa akin ni Marson, guys.
hot spring. Doon ka mupo para kita yung background.
Eh, paano ikaw?
Dito lang. 5 feet ka naman, di ba? Makakatayo ka.
Ang ganda lang.
Upo ka dyan.
Yeah, for us because
Hi ka.
well, we're just here for our anniversary. We're only 5 hours away. Saskatchewan, right? Pretty sheltered, I guess. Where we are.
You can camp where you want to, but I always do camp is the only thing on the map that my travel. Where I sit camp, where I'm talking about is like sit camp.
Ikaw, ay, dito ka.
Yeah, that's the place to be, I guess.
Dito ka nga.
Hayaan mo lang.
Ibabash ako nito.
Yeah, we've been in Lake
Ibabash
Louise,
ako
so we
nito.
figured, well, let's
Yan.
Kasi, akala ko ba inayos mo na yung dadalhin mo?
Ang usapan natin, mag-rent dito ng ano.
Eh, okay naman daw, sabi ni ate.
Wala ka talaga.
Tsaka naka 35 tayo. Plus,
Guys, tingnan mo yung damit ko sa pag-swimming. Yes, galing trabaho. Wala.
aray. Ayan, overlook.
some people traveling
Huh?
in Canada.
Overlooking.
Skiing and stuff, right?
Wala tayong ano.
Hiking in the summer, I guess.
Ayos lang.
Ba't yung lublog yung ulo mo dyan sa ano?
Mainit eh.
So all her
Masyadong
family from
mainit.
Australia.
Ayan. Ayan guys. So, mga kakansin.
Hindi naman dito, may gulpo pa lang swimming pool.
Yeah, and all your family's there, then you're.
So, kami lang ang tao guys. Ayan. See? Ang linis. And kung pupunta kayo rito, make sure weekdays na yun. Weekdays para hindi masyadong crowded. Tsaka agahan nyo 10 AM. Okay na rin, pwede na yun.
Kanina bukas pa ito, kanina pa.
Bakit?
Bakit sila ang tagal na itong naliligo?
Sino?
Yun sila.
Hindi ah, kasabay lang natin yan.
Sabi ko.
Ikaw ang matagal. Kanina pa kami.
Sige.
Kanina pa kami rito.
Labas mantika mo yun mo.
So, yan. Happy?
Guys. Oo, happy anniversary. Guys, tignan mo yung lahat ko. Walang liya si Busan eh. Nakakain.
Okay. Ayan.
Bakit naman yung umusok doon?
Kitang-kita naman ah.
Or just today. Yeah. What's a good place in Banff? Yeah. Just good restaurant.
So ito yung makikita mo pag akyat mo rito sa ay saan.
Kind of threw me off.
Makikita nyo guys. So ayan, pwede kang matulog dyan. Kasi ano yan eh. See? So kung makikita nyo umuusok. Check na tayo guys, medyo malamig. So, ayan.
Yeah, we found that. We walked around and seen some nice sculptures this morning. Found the three bears at the.
That one's really nice to go at night too because they have a nice shining with the top floor.
Oh, yeah.